MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
I'm at Express Composite Solutions in Silverstone in Northamptonshire. I'm here on behalf of Asquith Butler, and I'm with Dave, who's going to talk us through the reasons why he bought, or the company recently purchased, this Sahos dynamic 5-axis machining centre. So good afternoon, Dave. So what do you like about this machine, Dave, and why did you buy it?
The main thing we like is the size scope we have with the small footprint and the large capacity, the accuracy and the speed it moves. They're the main reasons.
And what are you actually machining?
We machine a lot of composite tooling board, 5-axis shaping and moulds.
So would it be fair to say it's a 5-axis machine, but do you do 3-axis machining as well, or are you always using the 5-axis capability?
We do some 3-axis stuff, but it's mainly using the 5-axis capability on it.
And when you were searching the market, you were looking at 5-axis machines. This isn't like a 5-axis machine we normally look at. It is slightly different. Bridge construction, high speed, maybe not for hogging material. What sort of pushed you in this direction?
Well, we went to look at another one in the country, and we were very, very impressed with the speed you can rough off the material and the accuracy as well.
Collision factors. With this type of machine, expensive materials, how do you avoid those?
We have just recently purchased Vericut software.
Okay, so that works in conjunction with your Heidenhain control, and that can basically take away any possibility of accidents happening. You like the first machine so much that I believe you've bought the second.
We just bought another one. It's delivery in a couple of months, I think. So.
Okay, and do you have much competition in this sort of model board machining environment and the composites area?
There is some competition, but I think as long as you do a good job, it's keep the customers happy. Keep coming back. Okay,
brilliant. Thanks, Dave. So you can see this Sahos machine is different in the way it's built. The construction of it means it's a bridge type construction machine. The bridge will move from left to right or right to left. The table is fixed, so the x-axis is fixed. It's got 3 metres in the x-axis and 1.5 metres in the y. What I like about that is you can do squarer components rather than being restricted on a y-axis, which you sometimes can be on a traditional type 3-axis machine. 24,000 RPM spindle with a tool changer, HSK tooling. One of the things that Dave mentioned to me earlier is about the extraction. It's got a very economical extraction system on the machine, and the extraction actually goes around the outside of the machine because when you're machining composites and at high speeds you're going to need to extract. It's got the Heidenhain control. It does have oil mist on the machine, so when you're machining, you can obviously keep workpieces cool, so that's important. It's very easy access as well. As I stand by the machine here, it's very light. You can access the machine, obviously, set part on the right-hand zone or the left-hand zone, while the other zone is actually machining. But furthermore to that, what you can actually do is have a much larger component than the 3-metre bed because you've got open access either end. So with rigidity being a factor in every machine tool purchase, this range of machines really excels in that area, and it does that because you've got a fixed table so that the x-axis isn't moving, and basically the spindle is moving across from left to right on the bridge. So it means that the spindle is not overhanging at any point. It's always in a very positive position. We've got e-stops on both the left-hand cushion here and the right-hand cushion. So if you are the operator and you're moving, or the machine's moving when you're standing in a position, the machine will automatically cut off if it hits you. So it's a slightly different machine to what we would normally look at on MTD, but Asquith Butler have recently taken on this distributor, or are the distributor for this machine, and they can see a big market for it, and in fact so can I, with the introduction or the popularity of composite machining and things moving that way in the industry. I'm sure, like these guys here, Asquith and Butler are going to be selling a lot more machines.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.